Firefly's complete system solutions for the process industry provide you with optimal safety for your process. Firefly's experienced staff has the highest technical skills to design a safe fire prevention solution for your plant. A Firefly protection system with true IR detectors and Firefly extinguishing can save you costly production downtime and prevent a total disaster. A spark detection system consists of a detector that recognizes dangerous particles in a material flow and an extinguishing to eliminate these before they can create a fire or explosion in your plant. This demo unit shows how this principle works. The plexiglass duct simulates a process duct or chute. A glowing particle is dropped, detected, and extinguished within milliseconds. It now poses no danger to the process anymore. However, sparks or glowing particles are not the only cause of fires and dust explosions in the process industry. In fact, overheated material generated by friction or over-drying are believed to pose an even greater risk, even though they do not glow and emit any light. Research shows at which temperatures and energy levels different material dusts can ignite. Wood dust, for example, can ignite from 470 degrees when dispersed in a cloud, such as, for example, in a filter. Note that the minimum ignition temperature drops down to about 260 degrees when the same material occurs in a layer, for instance, in a silo. Conventional systems are based on photocell detectors, detecting in the visible light spectrum. Firefly uses unique and patented true IR detection, which also enables detection of hot, black particles, with temperatures down to 250 degrees, without being sensitive to daylight. This demo shows Firefly's unique and patented protection system. A particle is heated up to a temperature of almost 500 degrees. Note that this is not a spark or a glow, it's just a black particle with enough temperature to cause a fire, in a filter, for example. The Firefly detector recognizes the infrared radiation from the hot particle. Firefly's unique patented multi-check principle can ensure detection quickness and full reliability in process flows in both pneumatic ducts and fall chutes. Once the dangerous particle is detected, it's of the utmost importance to quickly extinguish it. Firefly's state-of-the-art water extinguishing makes sure that dangerous particles are extinguished within milliseconds after detection. As you can see, the system is installed in a plexiglass duct, fully exposed to daylight without causing any false alarms. You can also see that the particle is cooled down so quickly that it can be picked up by hand again. Firefly always uses a minimum of 3 water nozzles from different directions to penetrate the material flow and ensure coverage of the entire cross-section inside the process duct or chute. Spraying water from only one side will leave uncovered sections inside the process duct or chute. As production increases, unfortunately, fires and explosions in the process industry continue to be a major problem, which costs the industry millions per year. At Firefly, we're passionate about keeping you in production. After more than 35 years, we have protected thousands of plants within the worldwide process industry. At Firefly, we have the right knowledge and experience to create a safe fire protection solution for your process.